Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Got locked out of your Temu account? Don't worry. Here's how to fix it fast and get back to shopping. First of all, check your email. Temu usually sends a message explaining why your account was suspended. Look for verification instructions. Next, try resetting your password. On the Temu app or website, click Forgot Password. Follow the steps and create a strong new password. If Temu asks for verification, submit any required documents like an ID or proof of purchase. This helps confirm your identity. Still locked out? Contact Temu support through the app or email like help@temu.com and explain the issue. They usually respond within 24 to 48 hours. To prevent this in the future, avoid VPNs, using multiple accounts, or suspicious activity like excessive refunds. And that's it. Your account should be restored soon. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.